So guys, as we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on secret PPC strategy, guys. So what you have to do is, firstly you have to log into your Seller Central account, and you have to come into this advertising tab and on this first column you will find campaign manager. You have to click on the campaign manager tab, and as you click on the campaign manager tab, it will bring you to this page. And as you scroll down, you will find this create campaign tab, as I showed you earlier, and you have to click on this create campaign, and you have to choose for sponsored products and hit the continue button. So now what we are going to do is, we have to firstly name our campaign. For example, let's set again dog bait, and you can leave this portfolio button and leave as I told you, this start and about this start and end date, and you can set a daily budget as per your budget. For example, let's set $100. And as you scroll down, now what you have to do is, guys, in this targeting tab, now you have to choose for manual targeting. As we already ran automatic targeting for around 10 days, now what we have to do is, we have to now run manual targeting for around more 10 to 20 days until our Ppc campaign is profitable. So let's choose manual targeting, and as you scroll down, we will come here to this bidding strategy, and as I showed you earlier, this ups and downs and all these things, fixed bids and all these things. And what I like to do is, I would like to choose ups and downs again for our manual campaign also. And as we scroll down, we have to put again our ad group name, and let's put this ad group name, this dog bait, DB dog bait. And guys, we have already created a dog bait name, so what we are gonna do is, let's put dog bait 2 for this Ppc campaign, manual Ppc campaign. And as we scroll down, we'll come here to this adding products button. What you have to do is, you have to search your product and add products that you want to advertise. And after you choose your products, we'll come here to this targeting group. Here you have to set keyword targeting rather than product targeting, as we have already extract our Ppc campaign keywords from advertising reports that we got sales from. So now what we have to do is, we have to choose keyword targeting for this one, and what we have to do is, we have to enter a list for our product. For example, if our product is dog bait, then let's assume we got sales from dog bait, dog bait large. Then we have to click on this add keywords tab, and Amazon is suggesting us 75 cents for this product, so let's add these keywords. So as you can see, we have 3 different match types: exact, phrase and broad. So what exact actually is, if our product is as we set dog bait large, our product will be only shown to those who type dog bait large. If we choose only exact phrase, exact keyword type, and if we choose to type phrase, then what happens is, Amazon will show your product if a customer searches for dog bait large and small. And if you choose broad phrase also, then what Amazon does is, if a customer searches for a product something like dog bait large and small for golden retriever, then Amazon will show your products to your listing to your customers, guys. So this is so exact will show only this dog bed large, phrase will show dog beds large. In phrase Amazon will shows dog beds large and small. In broad phrase Amazon will show dog bed large for golden retriever, something like that. So hope you guys got example what this broad phrase and exact actually is. And after you put your keywords that you got sales from, you have to click on this add keywords and this keyword tab. And now what you have to do is we have to scroll down, and you can put your negative keywords here, but I like to leave this negative keyword button as it is. And after doing all this thing, what we have to do is we have to click on this launch campaign tab, guys. So this way we will be creating a powerful manual PPC campaign that will get you most of the sales, guys, as we ran a automatic PPC campaign and analyzed it and optimized it, and now we are putting those hard work into use in this manual campaign, guys. So after doing all this thing, you can launch your campaign and see what and how well your product PPC campaign, manual PPC campaign performs, guys. So hope you guys got example on how you can create a manual PPC campaign and how you can optimize, analyze from your previous PPC campaigns and put all this together in this one PPC, a manual PPC campaign.